We're going to look at exponential patterns again, and this time we're going to have them in this form. They're going to be y equals a times r to the power of x. Okay, for the first one here, this one on the left, which is a, you can see we have a common multiplier of 2. So we know that our equation is going to be 2 to the power of x. Now to get this number that's in front, which is this a, okay, what we need to do is we need to go back to 0. So if I put here, that's a 0, and we need to work our number back to that one. So if it's times by 2, so if this number here is times by 2, the way we work back from here is that you take 4 and you divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we know our equation is 2 times by 2 to the power of x. You should always check this. Okay, so let's just check it. So let's do y equals 2 times 2 to the power of, and we're just going to choose the first one here, which is 1. Okay, so we're going to choose the power of 1. That will give us 2 times 2, which gives us 4. So that works. So let's just try it with the next one. Y equals 2 times 2 to the power, and x in this case is 2. So we're looking at this one here. So that would give us y equals 2 times 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So that gives me 2 times 4, which is 8. So this formula is correct. So we can very happily say that we've got the right one here. So let's try the next one. Let's try the last one, which is a little bit different, we'll try this part B. Okay, you can see here that it's times by 2, times by 2, times by 2. Work that out already. So what we need to do is we need to work out the one that's missing here. It's 0, okay, which is essentially the y-intercept. So if it's times by 2, the way that we work back, if it was times by 2 there, okay, well then to get backwards we would divide by 2. Dividing by 2 gives me 3. That gives me my equation, which is y equals, we know it's 2, which is our common multiplier, to the power of x, and the one where it's 0 would give me 3. So this number here is actually the same as this one here. Okay, so in this one here, the 2 multiplier of 2 is the 2 to the power of x. Let's do the last one. Common multiplier of 3, so we know our equation is 3 to the power of x. To get this number in here, we would have to times by 3, so 6 divided by 3 is 2, so that's 0, 0, 2. So this number here should be 2. You should just race around and check that one. So y equals 2 times 3 to the power of 1, that gives us 6. This is y equals 2 times 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 is 9, times 2 is 18, so the formulas work. Okay, I should have checked that one too, but I didn't. However, here's a practice for you to have a go at. Okay, so have a go at doing those, and you'll find that on the worksheet. Good luck.